starts with one step. There's no telling where the wind goes next. Yeah, dumb luck is a losing bet. I still remember that. The first cut's the deepest, first hill's the steepest. Won't let my weakness tear me to pieces. Writing my story in blood, sweat and tears. It all starts here. Stop, wait, nice to know you. When they ask me to sell my soul, I'd rather be in control and lose. Running this town in my own damn shoes. Don't just stare, come on over. No need to be scared, unaffected by the way we bear. Competition, you better beware.
Anak, Raylene, happy birthday. Wish ni Mama na pagpatuloy mo lang yung sa pag-aaral mo na maging magaling, saka maging lalo pang maging mabuting bata. Wish ko din yung malayo ka sa sakit. Ayun lang, I love you, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa, mahal ka namin lahat. And of course, Daddy, ayan, your birthday wish.
Anak, happy
Wala
birthday!
pa, best friend!
Nakadamay ka lang ni Mama, pati ni si Tatay, si Nanay mo. At saka maging mabay ka lang, huwag kang pasaway. I love you, Anak.
Enjoy, happy birthday, wish ko, good health, and lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, lagi magiging mabait na bata. Yung surprise ko nasa cake ko.
Wow! Paano pa ka naman po natin si Nina? Ay, si Tita Angel Gomez.
Now take this and knock it down.
Binigay nyo lang sa'yo yung anak mo para mag-celebrate sa 7th birthday niya. Thank you so much.
Mama told me knock 'em down.